I have this ball, and the ball has poles, and you know the poles because they have concentric rings. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put that next to it. That says 150 centimeters, right? So I'm going to go through the pole here, like that, okay? So I'll do half the circumference. Is that okay? Right? Multiply by 2, that's the circumference, right? Okay. So let me do that. So, oh, that's perfect. So it started at 150. You see that? Can you see that 150?
It's too high.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
All right. Starts at 150, and it goes to literally 50. So what is what's the half of the circumference? What is it? 100. It goes from 150. Come on, girl. 150 right there, and then it goes to 50 right there. What's a half of the circumference? 100 centimeters, right? So what would the circumference be? They're having a really hard time on a Friday. Half of the circumference is 100. What would the complete circumference be?
200.
200. Thank you very much. Okay, most excellent. Okay, this is not staying. Okay, now, so the circumference equals 200 centimeters, correct?
Yes.
All right, let's change that to meters, right? So what would that be in meters?
2,000. No.
2,000 meters.
No way.
Does that make any sense to you whatsoever? So 200 centimeters would be 2,000 meters. It would be 2 meters, right? Which is 2 meters. Okay. Now, so what is the relationship between radius and circumference of a circle? That's a circle. Isn't that a circle? Is that a circle? Yes or no? What is the relationship? Look it up. Relationship between circumference and radius. Circumference and radius. What is the relationship between circumference and radius? What's the equation for? Yes. So the relationship, isn't that the relationship? So the relationship is circumference equals 2 pi r, correct? So what's the radius?
Radius is 2 pi over circumference.
2 pi over what?
Circumference.
So you're going to solve this, and you're saying that r equals c equals 2 pi over c? Is that what you're saying? I'm asking you to solve that for r. Right here. What does r equal? Solve for r, listen to my words, solve for r in terms of c.
2 by c.
No.
What is
2 by c.
No, R equals C over 2 pi.
c over what?
2 by.
That's right. So so r equals c over 2 pi, correct? So what's the radius? So what's the radius? So the radius is going to be 2 meters divided by 2 times the approximation of pi, which is 3.14, right? Yes? So what does that equal? What is 2 divided by 2 times 3.14? You need your calculators. I cannot possibly do it in my head.
The answer is 3.14.
You're thinking the answer is 3.14?
Yes.
So, the 2's cancel, right? And I have 1 over 3.14, but the answer for you is 3.14. Does that make any sense to you whatsoever? Does it?
1 over.
I'm a little worried, dude.
1 over.
Maybe if you take out your calculator. This is going to go public, this video. They're going to email me saying, where is this class? Anybody have an answer for me?
1 over 3.14.
Well, I want an answer, not just numbers. Give me an answer. I want to know, what is R? Sroy, do you know? You don't know? Really? Do you have a calculator?
0.32.
0. So it's going to be R equals 2 divided by 2, 3.14, right? Yes? The 2's cancel. And isn't it the reciprocal of pi? Isn't it 1 over 3.14, which is approximately 0.33? And what is it? 0.32? 0.32? So that's going to be 0.32 what? What are the unit labels?
Meters.
0.32, yeah, meters. Right? So far, so good? Okay, so far, so good?
Yes.
Okay? Yeah?
Yes.
Troy, you okay with that? You get it? Okay. All right. So, what does that have to do with anything? What does that have to do with anything? I mean, this is consistent with some of the problems that you have to do. What do I have to find with this? What's significant? I want to put this at the bottom of the pool. What's the buoyant force? What buoyant force is that going to have? We'll estimate the weight. No, I have a balance in the back. We'll do a part 2, okay? But this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to calculate the volume. You know how to calculate the volume of a sphere? Math, how do you calculate the volume of a sphere? Anybody know? How do you do it? Anybody? Anybody? How do you count? What's the equation for the volume of a sphere?
R squared.
El-Haji? What is it? What is it? No.
It's pi times that.
It's 4 over 3. So it's 4 over 3 pi r cubed. You're welcome.
You look it up.
4/3 pi r cubed. Okay? We're going to make this part 1, and I want you to calculate that. So you can turn it off.